Hello there, this is a bottom line question with which I had came forward, and the question is how to increase yourself in the search engines, how to increase your business in the search engines. This is very important part when you create a website and when you don't optimize your website in the search engines, like your business is said to be not on the not in the existence online. Like if your business is not listed in the search engines, it is said that your online business doesn't exist. Why this is said? Like I'll take you with step by step things and you will come to know why I said this. Number one, what is search engine optimization? SEARCH. This is a very first question. What is search engine optimization? Now this is a particular process with which we increase our rankings in search engines. We do researches on the internet marketing of our website, and we ping this search engines to get our business on their list. So this is the whole process which is said SEO, that is search engine optimization. Now what all things we need to do for increasing our search engine optimization process to increase the rank of our website in the search engines? What all process we need is, number one, we need keyword research. Why we need this? Why keyword research is required? Keyword research, and what is this? Keyword research is a particular process where we search for the particular keyword for which we want to increase our business. I repeat for you, keyword research is a process where we find keywords for our business or related to our business. So let me show you an example. So let me say I like electronic dance music very much, so I'll search for electronic dance music. This is, see, you can get the information regarding electronic dance music. Electronic dance music is a kind of keywords, it's a kind of music, it's a kind of music category. uh, so you are finding the websites which has been optimized for this keyword. Hot dance electronic songs, page 1, billboard. So these are all particular websites, these are all top 10 websites which has been listed on the Google search engine for this particular keyword. And let me take you to another page. See this second page, electronic dance music. But this is said like your business is not been listed on the search engines, or your business doesn't set to be exist online, because when your business comes on this page, on the second page of the search engines, it's said that for the search engines it doesn't exist. Whichever business on this particular first page, whatever business listings are there on this first page, only that particular businesses get the businesses get the clients or get the visitors for this particular keyword. Now as I had told you, keyword to research tool. Now keyword research is a particular process where we search for the keywords which are compatible to our business. Let's say I have a website. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna show you my website first. This is, see, this is goodjuhost.cf. So this is a particular website, goodjuhost.cf. This is the website. As you can see, it is web hosting service website. So my first keyword should be free web hosting services. Okay, so this is the keyword for myself, free web hosting services, where I can use this particular keywords: the disk space, the monthly data transfer, the FTP accounts, the email boxes, the free subdomain, and free domains and email boxes and free FTP accounts, monthly data transfer, disk space. So these are all the repeating keywords which help me to increase my search engine results. I can use my I can use this particular keywords to increase my business, but my main keyword should be free web hosting service. See, there is free accounts, there is free web hosting service for which I'll increase my search engine existence. For this, what I'll do is I will find a keyword research tool which is online. There are many online tools with which you can make a keyword research. So let's say here is a keyword research tool by Google and other companies. So let's say for free. So see this is, you can see over here, you can see the free keyword research tool, WordStream. Here is a keyword research tool. Now let me say free web hosting service. See, there are the great results coming for free web hosting service. These are free web hosting service provider, and these are free web hosting services, PHP web hosting services. You can see this particular 1, 2 and 3 banner free web hosting services. So these are all three kind of keywords which we can use in our search engine optimization process. First is this is a keyword which exists in my panel or in my site, and this is a second keyword. This also exists in my web page. What you need to do is, whenever you write an article, whenever you write the description of the page, you should increase these keywords in your page. Rather, your pages will not get optimized in the search engines because you hadn't included these keywords in your page or post or your article, whichever you use. And the second thing what we need to do is we need to generate a meta tag. Now second step is meta tag generation. Now meta tag generation, before doing about meta tag generation, we should know about what is a meta tag. Meta tag is a particular part of the website which contains an information for the search engine. When you create a meta tag, what happens is this tag will give the information, the particular required information to the search engines. So once if your website doesn't contain meta tag, then your website is not providing a particular information which is required for the search engines to get listed. So how to generate a meta tag? Let's go and find free meta tag generators. You can use this tool, or you can just create meta tags easily from your own hand if you are a nice HTML editor, if you have the good HTML knowledge. If you don't have the knowledge, that is not a big deal to type a meta tag in HTML. So let's get started with meta tag. See, this is a meta tag generator, online metataggenerator.com. Here you can see, you can type your website name, as I have gujuhost.cf. If you already have the meta tag on the front page, you can just click on this. It will just grab all the meta tags. So web hosting, it is showing web hosting. So let's say free. I want to change to free web hosting service. Could you host? Mhm. Over here I'll write free host.cf, or what should I write in the search engines? I will find some more. See, I can find disk space, 3 GB disk space. I can write this particular things in my search engine optimization page. 300 GB space, 300 GB monthly bandwidth. So let's type over here. It's 300 web space, 300 GB, free add-on domain allowance, free add-on domain allowed, then FTP account, free PHP web hosting service. So see, this is the particular thing for which I had created a description. The description should be keywordish, which is been normally found by Google and other search engine bots. Now today's date, when with the new generation technologies, the the site keywords are not that matters right now, but still we will add keywords over here because we should be perfect for search engine optimization. Nowadays what happens is, nowadays this search engine bots just go and search for your search description, and then they know about your business. So let me just add keywords. My first keyword should be as my title, free web hosting service, Could you host? It should be particular things. Then I will add 300 GB space, free unlimited space, also unlimited bandwidth, free PHP, web hosting. So this is a particular thing which I had added. Author, I don't want author. I don't want language optimization. Search engines. See, it's asking like search engines should revisit the page after. So this should be added after 1 day, particularly. This means that the search engine should daily visit your web page and grab the information regarding your website. So this is all I got as meta tag. So these 2 lines I have to leave. I will just take this much. So I had taken this meta tag. Now what I'll do is I will go to the control panel. And I have to add it to my pages which I want to optimize in the search engines. So let's go to the. I'll show you where to add this particular code to increase your search engine existence. So these are all my files where I can add the key, that meta tag. Let's add the meta tag over here in the index.php. See, as I had told you, like till the date you don't have meta tag in your website, so your website is not providing a genuine information to the search engines. So please keep in mind, just do add meta tags in your website to get your website listed on the search engines. Okay, so this is a meta tag which I need to add. Let me remove this. See, what is this link equals to rel, link equals to rel. So I will only change these three things because only these three things contains the information of my website. That's it. So link rel is equals to the thing is what, when we type link rel equals to style sheet href equals to whatsoever the style sheet is. When we say no rel, that means that particular URL doesn't need to be listed in the search engine. And when we type rel, link equals to rel in the sense it has to be listed in the search engines. This is the particular information which I had given you now. Now what I need to do is I need to save settings. Now I'll go to Gujju host. Okay, so I had just added this particular meta tag over here. Now I have to add this keyword on other pages also. So what I'll do is I'll just go to cpanel.cf. Okay, so there are some pages, some other pages is about.html. So I'll add this over here also. Title, then link help style sheet, so that should be okay. I will only add this meta tag, this title. So this has been added. Then I had added to the about page. We had added to the contact page. We have to add to about HTML. Okay, so we had added this particular thing over here. Now we'll go and add it to the, sorry I am opening this many times because it's a free hosting panel, so there are some services which is being lost over here. Now see, I have to add this to contact, and the other things I will keep as it is, and I'll add this over here. See, generally the meta tag is being added between head and the main code which you start. Like if you say HTML, then doc type, then you start meta tag in the head section, and then when you type body, so before body you have to add this tag in your website. So I have other page says free web hosting control panel.php. I will also add this keyword over here. See, I am pointing this particular meta tag to be to add to each and every page because I want this particular description and I want this particular keywords for which my business to be listed. So whenever someone search about this particular keywords, my business should show up. So I want this particular things. So free hosting control panel.php I had added over here. Now I'll add over here also. I will add this thing to each and every page where I want to list my website. So what I'll do is I will just remove this. I will add my own. This is done. Okay, so free hosting table.php, then free hosting table.php HTML I had added over here, so nothing to worry. Now in the sign up form also I will add. So this is the head section, title equals to sign up. Okay, let it be like that. So over here what I'll do is I'll just remove this title, not a problem. When okay, so meta description will be fine and meta keywords will be fine over here. You don't need to add title in that case because the title already exists over here. So we are done with adding the meta tags, and finally we'll add to index.php. Okay, so this is done over here. It's already exists. Now we are done with the on-page SEO of our site. On-page SEO not only includes meta tag but also includes your article. Please note, if you write the article, you should point your keywords, you should repeat the keywords for which you want to increase the article, your content or your business in the search engines. So this is the thing. See, free web hosting service over here. It's free hosting, free web hosting service. So these are all similar keywords which I had added to the search engines as well to my meta tag. And then I will go further checkup. So let's say SEO check website. See, there are SEO check website, like we'll test our website if it is compatible with on-page SEO or not. For on-page SEO checkup, I find this plugin SEO to be very nice online software to test whether my content is being properly settled or not. So this particular thing will give me the information, the true information. We just close this. We had done the keyword research. I had reached over here. I will enter my domain http. See, it's showing sometimes what happens, it may take 24 hours to get these things done. But yeah, see, it is showing like page title is missing. That will take place after 24 hours or so. Heading, yes, we had the heading. Then images, yes, we had settled the images. Our file names are truly keywordish. Our internal links are keywordish. We have meta description in our site. Okay, so and then we have the other things. See, it is all subheadings. We have web server. Our web service is okay. So ultimately each and everything for my website is okay. You can also test your website and whatever changes you need to make, you can make. See, it is showing page title, what's happening, key points. It's the title HTML tag which is not exist in my page. So if it is showing like that, maybe possible this will get changed, because right now, before some time we had added the meta tag in the website, so maybe possible it just get checked later on. So this was the process of online meta tag generation and on-page SEO services. I hope you had liked it and you will also optimize your website in the search engines. See, if you are finding any difficulties in optimizing your content in the search engines, you can just contact us. So what I'll do is I'll give you my contact number. My contact number is +917359168871. This is my contact number. You can call me anytime. In the daytime, I am living in India, so you can call me according to the Indian time zone from morning 9 a.m. to evening 6 p.m. for your SEO auditing. We provide SEO auditing service, SEO auditing service, online business consultancy, and many more search engine services. You can contact us on this particular keyword, and you should also check my websites. You should also check this entertainment science which is being made by us. Okay, so do find us on Facebook, Instagram, or wherever you are. So you can find me on Facebook, that is. Thank you for watching. This is Team Indian IT Solutions. Have a nice day.